microphone.
Esta cámara Hello guys, how are you? These are our DJs for today, guys. This is our DJ for today. Yes, this is the venue. I'm showing you the venue, guys. I'm showing you the venue. This is our height because I told you no lives. I told you no lives today, so ndakundikutaridze how it is, how it's gonna be, just how it's gonna be mukati muno, so that you can actually see what is happening. Right, I'll show you all the ladies achita ma grand entrance avo vachienda kunogara maposheni avo. It's a full house, takazadza chinhu ichi guys, zvokutoti tatoita kuwedzera machairs takatozadza muno. We are now at 100 people, 102 people. This is where we are. Yes, we are going to have 3-course meal here. So kana vaya vada kutogara vachitoda kutora ma screenshots, this is the time, because hapana chimwe chamuchatora. Yes, hapana chamuchatora. Isusu takutotanga, varipo vasipo hapo takutanga, because we were supposed to have started long time ago. This is just the things that are going to start vachidya. Right, I'm going to show you as they are making their grand entrance, right, so that you can see kuti vakachena sei. This is our MC coming. This is our MC coming. This is our MC coming. Yes, these are the ladies. These are the ladies coming. Yes, as they are being ushered to their seats. Look at how beautiful they are. This is how beautiful they look today. They are very beautiful. Kana sina kutovera abuda papana pachabuda because no lives. Yes, these are our queens. Sorry. These are our queens. They are very beautiful. They are looking, yes, my mom's manyama. Yes, wow. This is Ngamire some music. Can you please tell him Ngamire some music? My brother, can you tell him to stop the music? Yes, Mdikon, yes, these are the ladies. You can see, guys. Yes. The ladies are looking exquisitely beautiful, guys. My mom's manyama. Diaries, my mom's. Musati jairire. My mom's manyama. Atisi machembere, tiri my mom's. My mom's akarongeka. Yes, vana majimbe vakadi vakarongeka. Mune mbinga dzakanyara mukati. There comes my comfort. There is my comfort. Yes, you looking beautiful, girl in pink. Wow. Yes, my mom's. Yo, look at that, guys. Wow. Yes. Wow. Look at this. Look at that. Thank you, Askana. Yo, look at that. Wow. Wow, look at her. Yes, look at that, guys. Look at that. Hi. Yes. Look at that. Yes. Look at that. Yes. And then you get to see. Look at that. Put the bag somewhere. Right, look at that. Yes, wow. Yo, guys, you're looking so. I'm jealous, guys. Yo, you guys, I'm jealous, guys. You are looking so beautiful. Makageza, munogeza, musanyepero. Ndimi zvenyu. Come on, guys. Oh, my picture. Oh, I'm for a cameraman. Change. Muda for a cameraman. Yes. Wow. I like that. Wow. The color. Yes. Just know good to sit in a vibe, guys, and we are going to bring the vibe, but at least no live. Saka zvichaitika, guys, ndezvekuti mataona we are going to bring the next live pachange papina pane vamwe vasati vasvika vari kumahotel vari kunonoka nemakeup atichamiriri vasipo asi swaga ega. I think swaga nevamwe 15 or so vari kuti tiri kumamakeup atichamiriri izvozvo takutoenderera mberi. Saka takutoendera mberi and we are not stopping. Takutoenderera mberi, we are not stopping. Ali, I love you too. Shalom. We are not stopping at all. We are going. Saka vasipo vachazongotorawo mapictures, munozongona ari mapictures. Yes. Bingasina noise. Chef Tinashe in the house. Right. It's fine. It's okay. It's fine. It's nyaya. Kunoku sister kafanana. Yes. Ai vanozopfekwa mukati mo but mune carpet chatongotamba netsoka
takuda kusvika patinogamuchira SIS MELLY. Comment section, ndisire my love, ndipoperewo screen.